Medical Officer 4, Dr. Cindy B. Gerapusco. We have two in the Department of Orthopedics, promotion to Medical Officer 4, Dr. Ahmed Muiz A. Imlan. And Dr. Michael Vincent B. Manyara. We have one promotion from the Department of Otorhinolaryngology HNS as Medical Officer 4, Dr. Norol Hair S. Sulaiman. We have one promotion from the Department of Radiological and Imaging Sciences, Dr. Freddy P. Avila. It is always a sigh of relief every time we have an incoming residents to the Department of Anesthesiology. So we have two incoming regional appointments as Medical Officer 3, Dr. Elvin James B. Madranca and Dr. Hyacinth Cyrus B. Tangeres. We have four incoming Medical Officer 3 as residents from the Department of Family and Community Medicine. We have Dr. Kelly Jean D. Caliedo, Dr. Raynette Faye D. Fernandez, Dr. Rafaela Maria B. Rosero, and Dr. Melody Joy C. Texon. We have two incoming from the Department of Radiological and Imaging Sciences as Medical Officer 3, Dr. Prince Vel B. Javier, and Dr. Fema Eliza A. Ogaba. And now onwards to our non-medical personnel with various positions. Saway Babor from the Human Resource Management Office. Promotion to Computer Maintenance Technology School, Mr. Jenner M. Canegas. From our Engineering and Facilities Management, promotion to Medical Equipment Technician 3, Mr. Marlo G. Salmar. Now for the next position as the ward assistants, for the information of everyone, these are newly created positions for our 1,500 bed General Hospital, and we're happy to announce that the 10 of them will be remaining at the moment at the area of assignment, subject to the reassignment notice later of the Medical Center Chief should it happen. As ward assistant, regional appointment from the accounting unit, Mr. Richard John C. Valmenares. From the Human Resource Management Office as ward assistant, Ms. Summer F. Tubal. From the IPBM administration, Ms. Maya Felicia M. Nagohoy. From the Office of Medical Center Chief, Mr. Vincent J. E. Delac. From the Accounting Office, Mr. Eloy Jasper L. Larida. From the Billing Unit, this is actually a promotion from our previous position as ward assistant, Ms. Veronica M. Montardo. Regional appointment from the Allied Health Professional Service Office as ward assistant, Ms. Arian Marie M. Otero. From the laboratory, another promotion from a lab aide, now going to ward assistant, Ms. Precious C. Panso. From the cashier, as ward assistant, Ms. Cindy M. Salvador. And last but not least, for the ward assistant from the HIMG, Mr. Angel Chris A. Tagabunda. And the last for this batch are our laboratory aid. For the information of everyone again, these are newly created positions from our 1,500 bed, and we are glad to announce that two of the old takers have been with SPMC for over 15 years. And will now be finally taking their oath as Plantilla. Okay. So from the telephone operator, we have Mr. Daniel L. Bock. One of those that we mentioned that have been here loyally for so long. Finally, a Plantilla laboratory aide, Mr. Michael M. Bustamante. with Mr. Bustamante, Mr. Richard C. Lazar. And last but not the least, from the housekeeping unit as laboratory aide 2, Ms. Sonia K. Pahenado.